Hey guys, and welcome back to another Pets Go tutorial. In this video we are going to talk about the new egg factory that just came out with the new update. You can find the teleportation over here, so before we go into our factory, let's open up our upgrade menu and upgrade everything that we can. We unlocked the factory, and for the next upgrades we will need these special coins, probably some factory coins we will see now. So let's teleport to our factory and see what we can do there. Here we are in the factory, so you will be given your own factory, and first what you need to do is to unlock these egg droppers. Actually, these small circles that you see, those are all different tiers of droppers, which are actually bigger eggs, which will produce the small eggs that you will gather to be able to get big amounts of luck when hatching the mega egg. So as soon as we unlock the first slot, you will see on the right side some eggs dropping into this like pool for eggs. You can start gathering them like this. I don't know what's the math around this, but if you collect enough small eggs, you will be able to get some points into that mega egg. Those points will be translated into your luck when hatching the mega egg, and you can see maybe this is the fastest way to hatch them in the beginning. Just sit here for a while. We will unlock faster egg drops and mega egg speed, because we need to collect as much of these new coins as fast as we can. Those are the upgrades that I will use in the beginning. And when you get this white arrow showing you that you need to go somewhere, just follow the arrow and it will guide you to the mega egg to hatch it. I didn't pay so much attention to the mega egg. First I wanted to gather a lot of small eggs and unlock all the upgrades that I can. As you can see, collecting eggs like this is a little bit frustrating. It's getting a little bit overwhelming. So I would definitely suggest you unlock auto collect eggs and auto hatch mega egg as soon as possible for you, because this will give you the ability to go away from this egg pool and move around the map. The eggs will be collected automatically and you can just go around. But when you unlock auto open mega egg, you need to just sit in this yellow circle. You can sit AFK and the mega egg will hatch itself. We also have this factory merchant where you can purchase some boosts that are very good for speeding up your egg dropper, which is this violent one. The green one will give you boost in speed with growing your mega egg, so it will get full of small eggs much faster. You will get your maxed luck much faster with this one. And the third one, yellow one, will give you increased coins drop from eggs. You can also sometimes get instant egg charges, which will charge your mega egg instantly for some percentage. You can see this one is 5%. There is also golden and rainbow ones. Those are also pretty nice. And here you can see all the upgrades. The top 3 upgrades are actually not so important in the beginning. It would be much better to go for mega egg speed, auto open max egg. That's very important to open as soon as possible. Egg drops, you should unlock all the upgrades as soon as possible, but the first one is auto collect eggs. This one you should unlock the first before anything else. Like, go for this one, because this will make your life so much easier in the factory. Eggs will be collected automatically by themselves or by some workers, I don't know, which are not visible. And at the end you can go ahead and unlock these odds for huges. I usually leave those for the end because I don't need them if my egg is small and not upgraded completely. So that's it about the upgrades, guys. From hatching this mega egg, you can also get these tech gift bags, which are very good and pretty expensive. You can also collect them and sell them to someone in the trading plaza, and you can make very good money out of that. You can see I only got one after how many eggs? I've collected 56,000 eggs and I got only one of those bags. Okay, well, that's my luck. And you can see there is a factory contest where the top 25 players will get guaranteed huge pet. So this is very good, guys. You can compete in this. It will last 7 days. I hope they will just reset it in 7 days and it will start again, and they will leave this factory in the game and not take it out. I really hope that, so everybody can have a chance in getting these huges. And that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the new update in Pets Go. This is giving a little bit more hope for us who play on free-to-play accounts. We still haven't got any god potion ever, so hopefully in this update we will have some more luck with that one and maybe get our first huge. Let's hope so. So let me know down in the comments if you have any questions about this update. Do you like this update? What do you think about it? Do you think this update should stay in the game? For now it looks like you cannot do a lot of stuff in the factory. When you unlock all the slots and all the upgrades, the only thing you can do is hatch those eggs, go to some friend's factory, and that's it. So hopefully they add something more also to that. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you like this video and I will see you in the next one.